I'm Ben with the BTC Sessions, and this is your Bullish Bit, brought to you by bitrefill.com, your one-stop shop to live on Bitcoin and Lightning. They've got all the best gift cards, things like Amazon, Apple, Best Buy, Airbnb, Uber, and much more. You can even do hotel bookings, you can do all of your travel, and you can now grab prepaid MasterCards as long as you have a US address that you can input. Check them out today, bitrefill.com. Links are down below to sign up now.
Thinking about it quite a bit, and I think what makes me most bullish and what is most underrated that is happening right now is this trend of Bitcoin creatives emerging. Right, so these are, I think, the unspoken heroes of Bitcoin that are creating all this content. Yeah, so you can see all the other Bitcoin films that are being created, and there's quite a lot happening. And films are really the bridge to, like, they're really a form of education that is like really distilling a message in visual form. You don't even have to read a book. You don't have to read the white paper. But these are people that are creating this incredible content that will kind of spread like wildfire. And I think this is what can take Bitcoin, just encapsulate the message, spread the message better to the world, like much more clearly. And so to help spread the word a little bit, this is the other thing I wanted to mention. This is a partnership that we have with Bitcoin Film Fest, which is in Warsaw, in Poland. And it's the first ever Bitcoin festival focused on exclusively Bitcoin films. And so what we're doing here is that we've partnered, we've managed to rally up some anonymous Bitcoiners to help us donate a little bit more money. Also, we're putting some of that money as well. And Orange Pill app has partnered with us as well. So we accumulated 10 million sats altogether, and we're just donating it to these films, right? So the question though is, how do we distribute the funds? Well, the community decides, right? So the community votes by sending sats, and one sat equals one vote. Sats are distributed, the funds are distributed proportionally to the amount of votes that they received, to the amount of sats received. So it's trying to kind of create a bit of gamification around it. But the point is to spread the message about the importance of Bitcoin films, how important they are, support Bitcoin films, support Bitcoin culture, and at the same time have some fun with it. So